Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding resilience. Laziness kills ambition, anger kills wisdom, fear kills dreams, ego kills growth, jealousy kills peace, and doubt kills confidence. Now let's turn that around. As ambition kills laziness, wisdom kills anger, dreams kill fear, growth kills ego, peace kills jealousy, and confidence kills doubt. Always remember, getting up and moving forward is a choice, as resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and keep going even when things are tough. Difficulties in life are just the middle of a longer story, and it's your response to adversity, not adversity itself, that often determines how your life story will go. Although the world is full of suffering, it is also full of overcoming it. Choice is yours. Enjoy the day.